Following the recent unveiling of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, attention now shifts to the Galaxy Z Flip 6. The design of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 has recently been unveiled by SmartPrix and OnLeaks, closely resembling the Galaxy Z Flip 5 with a few notable changes. Since Samsung's significant adjustments last year, the device maintains its two-camera setup. The corners now sport a more rounded design compared to its predecessor based on the image's design. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 features a 6.7-inch inner Full HD screen with a centrally placed punch-hole cutout for the selfie camera. It also includes a 3.4-inch cover display with a design resembling a folder at the bottom. While the hinge design appears unchanged from the Galaxy Z Flip 5, the most anticipated change is battery. An improvement in the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a larger battery, rumored to be around 4,000 mAh compared to the 3,700 mAh capacity of the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Reports also suggest it might be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor for Galaxy. Speculation about a potential upgrade to a 50-megapixel main camera remains uncertain if it will be included in the final product. Release date: expected to receive 7 years of major Android OS updates, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is highly anticipated, considering that Samsung typically unveils its second-generation flagship phones in July. Alongside devices like the Galaxy Ring and Galaxy Watch 6 series, it's likely that the Z series flagship phones for 2024 will also be announced in July 2024.